Hello viewers, I'm about to do a city bike tour. Yeah, this is my first time and this is my last day and at the old quarter with this pretty girl here. Yeah, we're gonna be doing a bike tour. This is the bike here. And that's the hotel where I'm staying right here. Yeah, and I do recommend it. I do recommend it. Yeah, so when you come to the old quarter, yeah, come here. All right, and we are about to roll.
Okay, so we have the backrest here. So
Okay.
you're gonna stop on the bike with me.
Okay.
So you get on from the
So
left.
you want me to put my stuff in there?
Here, we have the storage. So you stay here 1 week, but this is your first time on the bike?
Yeah, first time. I thought about renting a bike,
Yeah?
but I saw the traffic here and I was like, I don't think that's a good idea.
It's okay.
Yeah. I have more faith in you than myself. Do you mind if I hold on to you?
You can add it here, it's more stable.
Oh, okay,
Yeah,
okay.
like-
More stable, got it.
Yeah.
See that? This is why I didn't want to rent a bike.
It's okay.
Oh my
I just-
goodness.
Now it's not the rush hour. The rush hour is much more crazy than now.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It gets crazier than that?
Yeah.
Woo! Look at that.
Did you pass by here yesterday?
Yeah, I did. I walked by it yesterday.
For the night market, right? Sounds like you come from US.
Do I come from US? I mean, I live in Florida, yeah.
Yeah.
I wasn't born there, but
You live there, right?
yeah, I live there.
So after 1 week in Hanoi, where you gonna go?
I'm going to like a different part. I don't remember the name of it.
At the south, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, go down to the south. It's gonna be hotter than now. Did you have lunch?
I did.
Yeah.
I just had
So
lunch.
today we gonna have a layer like
See that? There we go. That's how the traffic is here. That's the day life. Well, you know how they have the night life? This is the day life here.
over there.
Woo, look at that.
This street they sell all the decoration for every holiday season.
Oh, yeah?
Yes. So they gonna check every season holiday.
Oh, okay. Yeah, this is holiday season, so of course it's gonna
Yeah,
be,
like Christmas.
yeah, it's gonna be busier. Are you from Hanoi?
I'm from the north of Vietnam.
Or North
Yeah.
Vietnam?
And I come here for university and then now I work here.
Okay.
Yeah.
And now we made it to Banana Island. Why am I there? Because it was part of the tour. Okay, and besides, they have more than just bananas there. They grow a lot of different stuff like cabbages, carrots, different types of fruits, stuff like that I don't see every day. Okay, so yeah, I'm glad that it was part of it, to be honest with you. And then we're gonna proceed to see the oldest bridge in Hanoi after this.
Banana Island.
Banana
Island.
Island.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Middle Island.
Oh, okay. Banana Island. We're going to Banana Island.
Okay, you can see on this side a lot of really comfort.
Oh, wow. Look at that. Yeah. Oh, wow. Those are like, what is that? That's cabbage?
Kohlrabi.
Oh, okay.
With the round.
Whoa.
Okay, let's stay here a little bit.
There we go.
Okay, so you put your foot down first. Right, and this side. From this. Like it. Yeah.
Okay, that's it. See, Banana Island. Yeah, there's the bananas right here. Yeah. I love that. Yes. Look at that. Here's a different plant right here. Yeah.
Do you want to take out the helmet?
Oh, sure. It's extremely quiet and peaceful here on this side. And believe it or not, it's amazing how it's only 20 minutes away from the old quarter, where there's no traffic, no nothing, just quiet and peaceful, just nature, that it's amazing. We'll see what the other side looks like. I can even hear like roosters and stuff. Oh boy, that feels good. Yeah, that really does. It feels What good. Are those you said?
Kohlrabi.
Kohlrabis? Yeah. Oh. Okay. To see some carrots?
No, over there is carrot.
Oh, okay.
And this one is cabbage.
Oh, those are cabbage.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
One over there is a kohlrabi.
Okay, that's cabbage right there.
Yeah. The winter we have the big storm.
Right.
That's why Vietnam, all the crop at that time were destroyed. That's why a lot of people from the city come here to find a better life, and they do the farming here, and it's naturally become the community here with agriculture, and they support and now they supply for the for the city.
Okay.
On the veggie here.
Yeah, somebody have to grow this.
Yeah. Here. And we eat the banana flour, like the salad.
Oh, you eat? Oh, you eat it? You make salad
good.
with it?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
It's so good.
I've never had it before. Oh, wow. I'm sure it's good for you because it's natural.
Yeah,
it's part of the banana. Yeah.
And here you cannot see the electricity web because they live no electricity.
Right.
Before.
Yeah.
But now they have the solar panel.
Oh, okay.
They have a little bit. And the water they take from the well.
Oh, okay. They dig it from the well.
Yeah.
To water the.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh man, it's just so quiet and peaceful.
Yeah. And over there is a papaya. I think in Florida, do you grow the papaya?
Yeah, we have papayas everywhere in Florida. Yeah, that we do have.
The squat.
Oh,
Yes,
okay. Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, you have all types here. Oh, wow. You have all types of stuff here. Different. Yeah, it's just amazing. What's this?
Pomelo.
Pomelo?
Grapefruit.
Oh, it's grapefruit.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Wow. Hey, they're big.
Yeah.
Wow, they are huge. Wow. That looks, oh yeah, that's still the same tree.
Oh, there is a star.
Oh, star fruits? Oh, okay. That's star fruits over there? Oh, and that's a mango tree. Yeah.
Letters.
What's that?
The letters. Letters.
Letters?
Yes, lettuce.
Oh, lettuce?
Yes.
Oh, lettuce. Okay. Ooh, yeah. They probably shouldn't have done that because the soil is pretty wet.
Yeah, they have to.
Yeah, wet it from time to time.
Every day.
All right. I know not to do that anymore. Wow. Yeah, nice. Okay, now this is me driving my tour guide motorbike. She allowed me to test drive it because I told her that I wanted to rent one, but I was afraid of the traffic because people there, well, in Vietnam, especially Hanoi, they drive like they're in a rush, and I didn't want to get into an accident. You know, it would be really bad for me. So she allowed me to test drive it, and after I test drive it, I changed my mind about renting one. Okay, yeah, I'd rather go with a motorbike taxi or a Grab or something. Yeah, it was difficult. I know some people might be saying that what's so hard about riding a motorbike, but you know, riding a motorbike in Vietnam is different. Okay, people drive like they're in a rush, and I didn't want to get into an accident. That's nice, though. Following my tour guide. Oh.
Yeah, like a community here.
Yeah, it's a community. Oh, I see. What's up, puppy? Yeah, hyper dog, huh? A little hyper. It's full of energy.
They doing karaoke.
Oh yeah? They do karaoke here? Wow. Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, I can hear them. This guy's full of energy. What are you doing? What are you doing? You want to lick my camera? You can't lick my camera. You can't lick it. Yeah, wow. Look at that. Yeah, it's a small community here in the province of Hanoi. Yeah. You can see me better. Okay, that's better. And now we are on our way to see the Hanoi oldest bridge, which is called Long Bien Bridge. Yeah, the bridge that was built by the French from the 1800s. And we are about to go down to go see the whole bridge. Oh, yeah. They won't be able to see my face with.
Okay.
Thank you. I had to remove the helmet. Woo. Oh, it's a little steep here, so I gotta be careful to go down slowly. Yeah. Oh, look at the lake down below. Yeah, there you go. Oh. There we go. Look at that. Oh yeah. See the bridge? That's it. Yeah, that's the old bridge in Hanoi. Oldest bridge in Hanoi. See that? Yeah. Wow, beautiful. And we have some people doing kayaking over there. Yeah. Yo, let me turn this way. Yeah, here we go. See the bridge behind me? Yeah. Oh yeah. And now we're going to ride on the bridge, the oldest bridge in Hanoi. The Long Bien Bridge was constructed by the French from 1899 to 1902. It used to be named after the then Governor General of French Indochina, Paul Doumer. This work is likened to a witness to the history of Hanoi, as the bridge has seen many fierce battles during the two Indochina wars against the French and the Americans. We're not taking the steps. We're just gonna take. We're gonna go around it.
Okay, keep your helmet. We're gonna walk up.
We're gonna go walk up?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, we're just gonna walk up to it. Yeah, we're just gonna walk up to it. See that? Woo! Oh! Hello. Whoa! See that? Oh, he's gonna bring it up here. Oh, okay. Yeah, he's gonna bring it up here. He's more experienced. Yeah, he's bringing it up here. There you go. Yeah, that's something I could never do. Yeah, I wouldn't even try it. You know? Yeah, it's only for bikes, motorbikes. And now we're gonna ride on it. Yeah, first we walk and then we ride. Come on, put that on. And now we are rolling. We're riding on the oldest bridge of Hanoi. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's the new one over there. Yeah, 121 years later, it's still standing, still standing. Well, it's only used for bikes, just there's motorcycles.
Let's go to the railway.
Oh.
Over there.
Oh, okay.
Take the right off.
See that? Woo! Look at that. Oh my God. Oh wait, let me just. Yeah. Make it across. Okay. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to fit there. Let me see. Can I fit there?
You want me to like that?
Oh, that's the train. That's the train part. Yeah, that's the train part. So now they still, the train is still
functional.
Okay, it's still functional. Yeah.
This is the train on the north of Vietnam.
Oh,
So
okay.
next one we gonna go to the railway, but the south of Vietnam.
Oh, okay.
Do you want to take some photo here?
Yeah, sure. Let me do that. Yeah. Yeah. Now I'm standing over at the train part. Yeah, it's still functional. Yeah. 121 years and still functional. Look. So Long Bien. Okay. The bridge is called Long Bien, and Hanoi, Vietnam. The oldest bridge in Vietnam, Long Bien. I said it correctly this time. Look at that, huh? Still functional. Yeah, wow. Let me just... Pretty cool, huh? Pretty cool. Yeah, that was very cool. All right. And now we are leaving the old bridge to go watch the train go by. Okay, it's a huge tourist spot in Hanoi. Well, not just tourists, but the locals as well. They love to watch the train go by. But let me warn you, it's not for claustrophobic people, and you will see why.
the tea and the smoothie. What do you prefer?
Smoothie would be fine. Yeah, this is where the train passed right here.
Maybe here is a.
Yeah, the train passed by here from the old bridge. Oop, I gotta order some stuff. Yeah. Okay, excuse me while I order something. Yeah, so we're just waiting for the train to come. It's gonna be maybe in about 18 minutes. Yeah, that's where the old trains pass through from the old bridge, like 120 something years old bridge. See that? Right over there. Come from that way. Go this way. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. On the countdown. Yeah, it's maybe another 15 minutes. Yeah, it's gonna come from that way. And it's gonna go this way. Yes. And I'll be either sitting right here or stand up right here, because you gotta stay a little bit far away from it. Because you see, the track is pretty close from where I'm sitting. So I'm gonna squeeze myself to the wall there. Yeah. Alright, while I'm waiting for the train, I am enjoying some mango smoothie. See that? Yeah. It's coming anytime now. Okay, now I know you guys can tell that I moved from the spot I was to that open spot. You see that? Where the gentleman standing behind me? Thank God, 2 minutes before the train passed, this lady came out of nowhere and tapped on my shoulder and said, come, 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 come. It's a miracle of God, to be honest with you, okay? I'm a big believer of God, because he knows how claustrophobic I am. I would have freaked out. Between the train and the wall, having to sit between the train and the wall, yeah, I would have lost it. Thank God for that lady. You know what I mean? She was an angel. See how those people are sitting? Yeah, I would have lost it. Yeah, I couldn't sit comfortably or calm like that. But thank God for that lady. Whoa! Thank you so much. Whoa! Wow. That was cool, right? Scary at the same time. Oh my God. Oh. Thank God. Yeah, I'm never doing this again. Yeah. No, that was scary. Because I'm so claustrophobic. Yeah, no. But it was fun though. It was fun. You know, scary fun. Yeah. Wow. You guys see the amount of people that comes here for this? Look at this. See that? Yeah. It's a lot of people. I'm glad I did it, but I probably won't do it again because, you know, it was scary for me. I'm too claustrophobic. I can't be that close to the wall and the train. Yeah. You know, it's crazy. Yeah. Now we are moving up to our next destination, which is Baotong B-52 Museum. And you're about to see why they call it like that. Okay, to be honest with you, I'm not a huge fan of museums, especially when it comes to war. You know, the American War, the Vietnam War. Now, by the way, when you're in Vietnam, they call it the Vietnam War or Vietnamese War. In America, they call it the American War, okay? Now we're going through like a market before we get to the museum. It's just a local market in Hanoi. You know, it's part of the route, part of the, you know, the tour. So, yeah. Now I'm about to walk into the Vietnam Museum. That's a plane right there, blown into pieces. Yeah, as you can see. Yeah. My tour guide will tell me the story about behind us. Isn't that crazy, huh? It takes so long to build, seconds to destroy. Okay, now my tour guide told me off camera what happened to the B-52 bomber. Yeah, how they brought it down. I believe they brought it down with like 2 missiles, if I remember correctly. Yeah, it's just ridiculous, you know. When she told me about the war, it's just sad. I know it's in the past, but you know, sometimes you just think about stuff like that. It just like make you sick. Yeah, how people just treat each other. It's just like, I'm more human than you. You have to accept me as God. You know, that's what causes war. Politics, religion, just ignorance. That's what it is. It comes down to that. You know, I know the war only lasted 12 days. That's what she told me. But guess how many Vietnamese died during that war? More than 3 million. I don't know how many Americans died. Okay, just sometimes it all happens over one little misunderstanding. That's just, or just pride. I don't know. Just most wars are just doesn't make any sense to me. It's just like the movie The Avatar. You know, I didn't want to go to the museum, but it was part of the package. And to be honest with you, it wasn't. I didn't see anything graphic there other than like the blown plane and stuff like that. But yeah, it's one of those places I don't like to go to, like war museums. You know, it's just so depressing. Yeah, they sure destroyed it in seconds though. Yeah. Okay. That's an engine. Yeah.
The radar.
Right.
Catch the information about the
Right.
Another time when the B-52 cross here, we use the outside, the iron, the mantle there, with the pot and the pan.
Oh,
the picture.
okay. Oh yeah?
Yeah.
That's crazy, man. Look at that. Let me take a... Oh, I can walk here? Okay. Yeah, look at this. Closer look. Yeah. Wow. Look at the size of that tire. A lot of parts. Whoa, careful.
This is a missile.
Yeah,
we
those are the missiles.
from Soviet Union.
Oh, okay. Wow, that's crazy, bro. That was a big plane too.
Yeah, that is the biggest plane. It can contain 30,000 tons of bomb.
Wow, 30,000 tons of bomb? Nothing can carry?
Just one B-52 aircraft can carry.
Ooh. Look at this little guy, but dangerous. Whoa. Yeah. Wow. Amazing. Oh, okay. That is crazy.
And they bomb Hanoi, they bomb they bombed the hospital, the residential area, and even the electricity center. That war we will pass by. Just
Yeah. Wow. Look at that, man. That's heavy metal.
Yeah. And like because a lot of difficulty were shut down, and that's why we use this for the pot, the pan, or the kitchen.
Oh, okay.
All that.
Wow. That's crazy, man. That's a lot of fancy parts.
Yeah.
Lots of fancy parts. Yeah. Now we are rolling, leaving the museum. Back on the main road.
That's how it's coming.
Biggest lake in Hanoi.
Yes.
We're going to the biggest lake in Hanoi. Look at that lake. Biggest lake in Vietnam. Yeah. Yeah, that's beautiful, isn't it? Biggest lake in Vietnam. Can you see the sunrise behind me? Let me see. Yeah, maybe. Dinner time. Oh yeah. Dinner time, dinner time. All right, these step stools are for short people only. See that? Very short, right? But I'm not short though. Look what I'm having. The soup. Vietnamese soup. That's the banana flour right here. I'm gonna try that for the first time. That's beef, noodles, you know, yeah. Let's see. Let's do it. Mm-hmm.